Let's do some counting outs practice examples. We'll look at 5 hands. In the column on the left, we have our hole cards. The middle column is the flop. And then in the right column, we'll fill in how many outs we have. How many cards will bring us into the lead to win the hand. In our first example, we have ace-king. We don't flop a pair, and we figure we need either an ace or a king by the river to win the hand. We might win with ace-high, but we're not going to count on it. So there are 3 aces and 3 kings left in the deck. Altogether, we have 6 outs. Example 2, Jack-10, the board's 8-9 ace. Again, no pair. This time, our opponent figures to have an ace. So we need a queen or a 7 to complete a straight draw. We have an open-ended straight draw. How many outs do we have? There are actually 4 queens, because we don't have one yet, and there's also 4 sevens. Our total outs, better than example 1, we've got 8 outs. In example 3, ace-10 of spades. We flop a flush draw. And even if our opponent has top pair, if he has a pair of kings at this point, we'd still win with any ace. So let's count our outs. We know there's 13 of every suit in the deck, and we're seeing 4 spades right now. So 13 minus 4, that means there's 9 spades remaining. There's a spade logo. There's 9 of them. And we also think an ace will bring us into the lead. There's 3 of those left. Our total outs then are 12. How about example 4? 8-7, unsuited, flops rainbow as well, 6-10-4. What are we dealing with here? Well, it might not be readily apparent, but what we have here is a gut shot, a double gut shot straight draw. So any 5 or any 9 will give us a straight. We'll actually ignore the 8s and 7s as outs, because if our opponent's going to continue with us, he probably has a 10 or 2 overcards, and the chances of us winning, even when we hit an 8 or a 7, are pretty small. So let's just look at that double gut shot straight draw. There are 4 9s that are unseen, and 4 5s. It's actually the same amount of outs as an open-ended straight draw, 8. In our final example, we have a combo draw. We have 5-6 of clubs, and we flop both an open-ended straight draw and a flush draw. It gets a little tricky here counting our outs, and you'll see what I mean in a second. So any club will give us a flush, so let's count that first. There are 9 remaining clubs. And for open-ended straight draw, any 9 or any 4 would give us a straight. So normally we would say there's 4 9s and 4 4s. But remember, one of the 9s and one of the 4s are actually a club. So we only have 3 9s and 3 4s that are non-clubs. So in total, we have 6 plus 9, 15 outs, and not 17, which is a common mistake when counting outs in a combo draw.